It's your eggplant. It's so yummy, guys. It's so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. God bless you so much.
Oh, noble meal. Noble a meal for the kings and queens. Noble meal.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Noble Meals Home. God bless you for coming. For my old subscribers, I tried it for you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. And for those who's yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, hit the red button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscription is free. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and share. And as you do so, God bless you. Without wasting much of our time today, guys, we are going to cook eggplant. God bless you. Stay on as we show you the ingredients we are going to use on this our beautiful cookie today, and yummy eggplant. Thank you. Okay, here you have your rabbit. Okay, here you have your turkey. This is your turkey. Okay, thank you. Here you have your tilapia fish. This is your tilapia fish. Okay, today this is what we are going to cook. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Okay, this is your gizzard. Actually, this is not a chicken gizzard. This is a turkey gizzard. Thank you. This is your onions. This is our crayfish. Okay, we have your red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. We also have another pepper here. This is a very hot one. I'm just going to put only 4 seeds of it, unripe one, 4 seeds. Okay guys, these are the seasonings we are going to use. You have your curry, you have your thyme, you have another seasoning to boil the chicken, and this is your maggi, this is your salt, and this is the groundnut oil we are going to make use of. This is called yam. Okay, we are going to. So guys, it is time to start cooking. So the first thing we are going to do is to put all the meat on fire. I have already washed them before, so I'm going to be putting them on the fire right now. I'm going to be putting them on the fire. This is the turkey. While this is the rabbit. Then you add your gizzard. I'm yet to put water. I'm not going to put water first. I will allow it to boil, okay, before putting water. Okay guys, going to add your curry. You add your thyme. Then you add your chicken seasoning. This is it. If you can hear the sound, it's already heating up. Then you add your onions. I've already sliced these onions, washed and sliced it. So you add your onions. Then guys, you add your Maggi cubes. You add your Maggi. Then you add a little bit of salt. I love using my hands sometimes to add my salt. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, the fire is giving the meat justice. Wow, this is so yummy. The aroma, not be here. So I just want to turn it a little bit. Wow, this is so inviting. Guys, you need to try this, okay? It's so nice. So we are still going to give it about 5 minutes more, then it is ready for us to start another process of it. Thank you. So guys, the meat has been cooked now, so I want to filter out the water. So I'm just going to pour it right here to filter out the water, and we're going to be frying it little by little. So guys, it's time for us to start frying the meat. I'm just going to be frying them a little bit. I'm not going to allow it to brown much. So guys, this is how I'm going to slice them, because I'm going to parboil it first. Okay, as the meat is already on fire boiling, so we are going to parboil this one first on another fire. I'm going to parboil it. Guys, you can see I've already put this on the fire right now. I'm just going to add no water first until it is boiled. Okay, I want it to boil out before adding water. So guys, I'm just going to mash it together, just to pieces it like this. Many people have different way of matching it. This is how I want to do my own. So just for it to pieces and mash together. Allow the pot to hot, then before putting your granite oil. So let's allow the pot to hot before putting our granite oil. So let's put in your granite oil. So you put in your onions, stir it together. And second thing you need to do, then you add your crayfish. Add your crayfish to it, and you turn it together. You wait for about a minute before adding any other thing. So guys, I'm going to add the gizzard to it. I'm going to add the gizzard. Turn them together. I don't want to add the red bell pepper for now, because I don't want it to be too cooked. So I'm going to add everything together before I add the red bell pepper. So this is how I'm going to do it. So guys, it is time for us to add our eggplant. Going to add the eggplant right now. I'm going to turn it together. Turn it together. Oh my God, this is so yummy, man. Going to stir it together. I'm going to, guys, we're going to add the meat, the rabbit, and the turkey. Then later we'll add the fish on it. Eggplant is almost ready. Almost. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you for subscribing as well. Thank you. Without you, Noble Me is nothing. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share, like, and comment as well. Like, share, and comment. So guys, I'm just going to add the onions again. I'm going to add this onions, and also I'm going to add our green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper together. Then we're going to turn it together. Then we leave it for about 3 minutes. Then it is ready for us to do justice to it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I appreciate you all. God bless you for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. Invite your friends. Tell them what is going on in Noble Meal. And as you do so, God bless you. So guys, this is your final answer. This is your eggplant. It's your eggplant. It's so yummy, guys. It's so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. God bless you so much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. This is your eggplant. You all are invited. Come and eat with Noble Meal. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you all. God bless you. Bye bye.